आशा जी 64 लाख दाल दवीना मलशे 8 करोड़ जिन भूत जी रुई रुई भनकिया घनमन पड़ीशे शाह नवी नवी शेष्टि रचाए हरि अनंता. O Lord, 64 lakh divine armies will meet the 8 crore evil spirits. Every detail of that which has been predicted by the group of 40 seers will be realized. The Lord will create ever new universes. Hari, you are eternal. Asha ji, Rav Chaya Rav Surat Chapshe, Ocha Nir Nadiye ji, Hansa Jina Raja Karo Piana, Nauso Cham Char Adka Gaya, Hari Ananta. O Lord, the sun will be covered by dusty clouds, and the flow of water in the rivers will be less. The King of all souls, please have mercy. 900 eras have gone quickly. Hari, you are eternal. आशा जी नागलोकनु सेन वखाणु बानु करोड़ परसागा जी तारो अंत न जाने कोई अगम निरंजन साचा हरि अनंता. O Lord, even the army procession of the people's snake is praiseworthy. 92 crore souls were with you. Nobody can fathom your limits. You are the foremost and truly formless in your essence. Hari, you are eternal. Asha ji, Ragta pecha karsana seta, छो वरना जूगा हुआ जी अवर रंग तेरा बहु छाजे इसमें थी चार सुजाता हरि अनंता. O Lord, red, yellow, black, and white, there have been 4 ages represented by the 4 colors, each with distinct habits and social customs. You have many other colors which are beautiful. Out of these, I know 4. Hari, you are eternal. According to traditional sources, the 4 colors represent the 4 divine manifestations in each of the yugas as red, Narsi Karta, yellowish, Sri Ram Treta, black, Sri Krishna Dwapur, white, spotless, Nakalanki Kal. The composer recollects about the presence of his manifestations during the above mentioned periods in the verses 374 and 375. आशा जी कलजुग माहे बहु पाखंड वापिया 30 माहे होएशे निवेद जी कल माही कायम कलिंगो शंगारशे 30 सिर एही अखाड़ा हरि अनंता. O Lord, in the present age, deceivers and cheaters thrive. At the same time, there will be a settlement, accountability. In the present era, the ever living Lord will be slay the demon, whose head will be in the meeting place, battlefield. Hari, you are eternal. आशा जी कलजुग माहे बहु पाखंड वापिया सती कोई विरला होएशे जी कलिंगो दानव ताप करी आव्या ते करोड़ मुखे कोई जाए हरि अनंता. O Lord, in the present age, deceivers and cheaters thrive. There will be very few righteous and courageous souls. The evil enemy has come in the disguise of worship and has lured many souls away from the path. Hari, you are eternal. शाहजी कलजुग माहे अघोर पाप वर्तिया 30 माहे आपको राखो जी जो जानो नव शाह भेटू तो गिनान विचारी ने चालो हरि अनंता. O Lord, in the present age, dreadful sins have spread. In it, please take care and protect yourself. If you desire to know and be one with the Lord, walk upon the path by reflecting upon the Ginans, divine knowledge. Hari, you are eternal. आशा जी तंबल धड़मान भीरियू वाजे वाजे ते वजिंत्रा घने राजी सरग मरत Payaraj Kampe, Sarvane Padshe Avaz, Hari Ananta. O Lord, small drums, big drums, tom tom instruments will make sounds and they will make lots of music. The heavens, the earth, and the underground will shake. All of them will feel the sound. Hari, you are eternal. आशा जी खड़क कुदरती अपुरव छाजे नर का समशा वाई जी पांच नदी रन खेत्र मुलस्तान रचशे त्या दैंत कलिंगा ने घाईशी Hari Ananta. Lord, the rare natural sword will be in use. At the behest of Imam Qasim Shah, the battlefield will be at Multan, symbol of mind or soul, where five rivers, sense perceptions, meet. There he will sweep the satanic demon, lower self. Hari, you are eternal. આશા જી ધરમજુગ કીર્તા રચે છે અને પાપને દૂર ચુકાવે જી અમે દીદારી કેશવ કેરા દ્વારે શા સદાયા હરિ અનંતા. O Lord, the Creator will establish the age of true religion, that is, of truth, virtue, peace, and happiness, and will annihilate all the sins. We Murids longing or having the Didar of the Lord will always be at the doorstep of the Imam. Hari, you are eternal.